Hello everybody and welcome to this video. My name is Alexey, I'm a technician at the Orchestral Instruments Service Department Yamaha Music Gulf. In this video I'm going to explain some basic knowledge about flute maintenance. As you know, the instrument has a complex structure and repair services should only be done by qualified technicians. But there are certain measures that you can do yourself to keep your flute in good condition. By doing regular maintenance, you can prolong the life of your instrument before it will need a major repair. Before assembling the instrument, wipe off any dust or other dirt from the flute tenons using appropriate maintenance goods. It will prevent any damages to the instrument due to foreign solid matter which collects on the surfaces and makes assembly difficult. If you feel that flute tenons are too loose or too tight, visit your local repair technician to check your instrument. The flute has metal-to-metal connections. Don't apply any grease here, because the grease collects dirt. Pay attention, don't grip the key mechanism or the lip plate during assembly, because it's easy to damage these parts. To assemble the foot joint, place your thumb on the key post and connect joints with slight rotational motion without applying any unnecessary pressure on the key mechanism. Make sure the joints are always aligned during the assembly process. For those instruments that have a cork on tenons, for example the piccolo flute, use cork grease to connect joints smoothly without damaging the cork part. Moisture is a major factor that can cause problems for wind instruments. The pads are the most sensitive parts of the flute. The materials are exposed to a regular cycle of wetting and drying, and as a result, the pads wear out over time, losing flexibility and softness. Therefore, we can say that the most important task of daily care for woodwind instruments is moisture removal. After practice or performance, the instrument has to be cleaned and moisture should be removed thoroughly with proper maintenance materials. To remove moisture, use the cleaning rod and inner cloth for flute, or gauze that is supplied with Yamaha flutes. Pass the end of the cloth through the hole at the tip of the cleaning rod. Wrap the cloth around the cleaning rod, making sure there are no exposed parts of the rod. Exposed parts of the cleaning rod may damage the flutes inside during cleaning. Clean each joint separately. When cleaning the head joint, don't push the cleaning rod too strongly. You can change the position of the tone reflector that is built in this part. Wipe away moisture from the tenons. Pay special attention to the removal of moisture from these parts on wooden instruments. Neglecting this point will cause the cracking of the wooden body. Keep the cloth separately and never put it together with the instrument, because it will create unnecessary pressure on the key mechanism. If you find that some pads are wet after playing, remove moisture with cleaning paper. Insert a piece of cleaning paper into space between a pad and corresponding tone hole and absorb moisture by pressing a key several times. Don't try to pull the paper out when the key is closed, because it may damage the pad. If you feel the pads are sticky after absorbing moisture with cleaning paper, use the powder paper to remove stickiness. There are some recommendations to avoid sticky pads issues. Try not to use any sugary drinks or foods before playing. Rinse your mouth out with water before start playing on the instrument. And always play the instrument with keys facing up, taking care of the pads. To prevent discoloration of the silver or silver-plated surface of your instruments, gently wipe the flute with a polishing cloth, removing fingerprints and any dirt from the surface of the instrument before putting it in the case. Be careful, don't press the keys too strong and don't touch the pads. This may damage them, shorten their usable life significantly, and really change your performance quality. If dark spots appear on the surface, it may be effective to use a silver cloth or silver polish. Use these maintenance goods carefully, do not apply it to the pads or tone holes. Discoloration occurs due to oxidation. You can prevent it by taking proper and regular care of the surface of the instrument. Another important point is to regularly clean the embouchure hole. For this, you can use a cotton bud. If you follow a certain order of placement of the flute parts, head joint, foot joint, main body joint, you can avoid damage to the head joint, which can be damaged by the G-sharp key lever. I hope you enjoyed learning how to look after your flute. For more information about maintenance and products, visit us at yamaha.com. Thanks for watching, and I will see you back here soon.